bought one pair of shoes since I've been in Africa. That was it. And I hardly even wear